Today I'm with the stunning Audi A3 saloon. This is the 35 TFSI S-Line, finished in Navarra blue. It's absolutely stunning with 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, a very plush interior and fantastic technology. It produces around 150 PS and it really is the perfect city commuter. But what happens if you're not really bothered about the city commuting part and you want something a little bit more sporty, a bit more aggressive, a little bit of punch? Well, may I present to you the Audi S3. The Audi S3 has made quite a name for itself over the years, and rightly so. That's because of its powerhouse. So this has a 2-litre petrol engine, TFSI, producing 295 newton meters of torque, along with 310 PS, and it'll propel you 0 to 62 in 4.8 seconds, which is absolutely astonishing. Better yet, there's a top speed of 155 miles per hour. So it's pretty punchy, like mentioned, but what else does the S3 offer? Well, let's take a look. Exterior wise, the S3 also delivers them. It looks absolutely amazing, especially in this specification with the Navarra blue paintwork. It's similar to that of the A3 behind me, but you've got some enhanced exterior elements, such as that single frame grille with all the chrome accents and the iconic red S3 badging. You've also got LED headlights with the Audi main beam, helping you throughout a wide range of driving conditions, ultimately increasing your confidence on the road. Eagle-eyed viewers may have also seen that these have got different wheels. These are 19-inch multi-spokes with a matte grey finish, which I think really helps you stand out from other vehicles on the road too. You've got nice satin chrome accents found on the wing mirrors and around the window surround, and that blends in nicely with the rear privacy glass, which is perfect for backseat passengers, especially if you're transporting a celebrity in the back. And with this being the Sportback, it offers lots of practicality. This is also offered in the saloon like that behind me. Well, let's check out how much space you actually get. Just before we do touch upon the practicality though, can we just take a minute to appreciate the rear design? You've got the flared rear arches along with the sloping roof design, aggressive roof spoiler, and of course those quad mounted chrome tipped exhausts, which look absolutely phenomenal and let everyone else on the road know that you mean business. Now, when you open the boot, you've also got 325 litres of boot space, which is an ample amount of space, perfect for a long weekend away or if you've got a family. Better yet, you can also fold down the rear seat, increasing that boot capacity too. The rear interior feels really spacious, it gives you a sense of freedom, and it also feels premium too. The rear passengers can benefit from full rear leather seats with integrated ISOFIX points, which are perfect for mounting child seat fixings, and you've also got the centre stitching, which is a really nice touch. There's a centre armrest too with space for 2 cup holders, and you've also got some rear lights, which is brilliant if you'd like to read at night whilst driving. I'm 6'2" for reference, and I've got plenty of legroom and headroom, and you've also got that sense of privacy too, thanks to that rear privacy glass. The premium and spacious feel flows into the front cabin too. It's absolutely stunning in here, and it's packed full of technology similar to that of the Audi A3 saloon behind me, though there are some subtle differences, such as this S-Line flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel with perforated leather grips, and you've got voice control options, cruise control, paddle shifters which are really easy to hold, and these are perfect on the country roads. And you've also got the ability to customize the Audi virtual cockpit. Now that's what they call a full digital instrument cluster, and it's amazing to use. It's so easy and provides you with all the data and information you need to get you safely to your next destination. But to the left of me is another marvelous creation, and that's the MMI touchscreen system. So this is 10.1 inches, it's super responsive, and it's packed full of features too, such as different radio stations, media files, Bluetooth connectivity, and of course navigation, as you can see. And you can also seamlessly integrate your smartphone via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which creates a perfect interior experience. Further down though, you've got dual zone automatic climate control, so you and your passenger can find that ideal temperature without fighting. And believe it or not, these are also heated seats, which are perfect throughout the cold winter months. Further down, you've got all the different park assist options and your drive select, so you can really tailor your driving experience there. And you've got the streamlined center console with all your different gear selection options. So then I hope that gives you a better insight into the Audi A3 range, in particular the Audi S3 Sportback behind me. For any further information, please visit our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description. There you can explore all the different trim levels and also arrange a test drive too. Or if you'd like to find out more about the 35 TFSI A3 Saloon, please drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to do a review for you. But until then, thanks for watching.